the Community Emergency Response Team or CERT of FINMA Cagayan de Oro College, Marco Campos.
Our team is assigned to demonstrate proper disaster preparedness and emergency response during an earthquake.
We will show the correct procedures from preparation to post-response safety.
Always remember, sa during sa earthquake, dapat nakapag-drop power.
Sakto. Kalma na gid ka always lang na gid ka follow sa mga instructions.
Nice one. Tatay ni bay. Tata. Push. Tata, kaya bay. Push.
Everyone, nagiinom! Relax! Cover in the road! Everyone, relax na! Ikay yung mga ulo.
Panayo sa bintana. Panayo yung mga bagay na. Maupo.
Mundo lang yung position guys! Tapos mga ulo ang inom! Everyone, yung ulo nakiinom! Proceed to evacuation now!
Everyone, formalay na yung mga talanta. Agay, ang tumaan.
Hey, Jordan.
Unsay nang ito po? Jordan pa. Galing na rin. Tangham na ako sa first aider.
Okay, ha? Check na po ang pulso niya. Check yung pulso. Normal na yung pulso. Possible minor injury lang siya. I-apply first aid and diffusion.
Kira siya?
Tanan student, so far, isa na ginawa.
Okay, good work everyone. Stay alert at sa kanang mga upcoming aftershocks na and mag-remain lang kita diri sa evacuation area.
Sino siya?
I-check daw kung nakakabailain na yung injury ka. Good. Okay na siya? Okay, well job everyone. And this concludes our earthquake emergency response simulation.
Preparedness and teamwork can save lives.
Stay alert, stay prepared, and stay safe.
In conclusion, our earthquake CERT simulation showed the importance of preparedness, teamwork, and proper response during emergencies. Each role played a vital part in ensuring everyone's safety and managing the situation effectively. This activity reminds us that being ready and working together can help save lives.